Welcome friends to my YouTube channel Maths Max Mathematics Part 1 Quadratic Equation Part 8. Nature of quadratic equation. The general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and the value of b square minus 4ac, which is known as discriminant, which is denoted by small triangle. That small triangle is equal to b square minus 4ac. If the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. And if roots of if the value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then roots are not real. So, using the value of b square minus 4ac, we can find the nature of quadratic equation. If the value of b square minus 4ac is 0, then roots are real and equal. When the b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, means value of b square minus 4ac is positive, then the roots are real and unequal. And the value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, means it is negative, then roots are not real. तर आपलं जनरल इक्वेशन काय आहे पहा, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. यामध्ये पहा आपण रूट्स फाइंड करण्यासाठी जो फॉर्म्युला यूज करतो, त्या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये आपण काय फाइंड करतो, बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac. हे जे बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac यालाच काय म्हणतात, डिस्क्रिमिनंट. आणि हे कशाने डिनोट केलं जातं, तर छोट्या ट्रायंगलच्या साइनने डिनोट केलं जातं. याच्या व्हॅल्यू जर आपण या स्मॉल ट्रायंगलची व्हॅल्यू काढली, म्हणजे बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac ची व्हॅल्यू काढली, तर आपल्याला काय भेटतं, नेचर ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक. या बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac ची व्हॅल्यू जर 0 असेल, 0 समान असेल, तर रूट्स काय असतील आपले, रियल अँड इक्वल. एक च्या व्हॅल्यू 2 असतील. सपोज एक ची व्हॅल्यू जर 3 आली, तर दुसरी पण व्हॅल्यू काय येईल, 3 येईल. म्हणजे रूट्स कसे असतील, रियल अँड इक्वल. जर बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac ची व्हॅल्यू ग्रेटर दॅन 0, म्हणजे 0 पेक्षा जास्त, म्हणजेच पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर आला असेल, तर रूट्स आर रियल अँड अनइक्वल. आणि जर बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac ची व्हॅल्यू जर निगेटिव्ह असेल, लेस दॅन 0 असेल, तर रूट्स कसे असतील, रूट्स आर नॉट रियल. Then the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta is x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. जर quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. याच्यामध्ये पहा, रूट्स काय असतं, रूट्स म्हणजे x ची व्हॅल्यू, आणि x इज इक्वल टू अल्फा और x इज इक्वल टू बीटा. अल्फा किंवा बीटा हे जर रूट्स असतील क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशनचे, तुमचं क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन काय होईल पहा, एक्स स्क्वेअर मायनस अल्फा प्लस बीटा एक्स प्लस अल्फा इंटू बीटा इज इक्वल टू 0. म्हणजे यामध्ये तुमचा बी काय असेल, मायनस सम ऑफ अल्फा प्लस बीटा, आणि तुमचा सी काय असेल, अल्फा इंटू बीटा. प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.4. Question 1 activity. Fill in the gaps and complete. So first question is quadratic equation is given ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 5 and second b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5. We have to find the nature of roots. Second, sum of roots is equal to minus 7. Quadratic equation. In this question we have to find the quadratic equation and the product of roots is equal to 5. Sum is minus 7 and product is 5. So here alpha plus beta is equal to minus 7 and alpha into beta is equal to 5. Using this we have to find the quadratic equation. Then third, if alpha and beta are roots of the equation. Equation is given 2x square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. And here we have to find alpha plus beta and alpha minus alpha into beta. So in first question, quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is given and b square minus 4ac is equal to 5. So the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. It is positive. So the nature of roots are real and unequal. If the value of roots are greater than 0, then the nature of roots are real and unequal. Then second, b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5. So here minus 5 is less than 0. B square minus 4ac is less than 0. It is negative. So the nature of roots are not real. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the nature of roots are not real. So the answer is real and unequal and not real. Second, sum of roots is equal to minus 7 and product of roots is equal to 5. We have to find the quadratic equation. So here alpha plus beta is equal to minus 7 and alpha into beta is equal to 5. Quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. So here we write x square plus minus alpha plus beta, which is minus 7 minus minus 7 is plus 7 plus alpha into beta is 5 is equal to 0. So the quadratic equation is x square plus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. Then third, if alpha and beta are roots of the equation. So equation is given 2x square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. So here value of a is 2. First we change the value of a. We convert this equation in form of x square minus bx plus c. So here we divide 2x square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0 by 2 to make the value of to make a is equal to 1. So we divide by 2 to this equation. So equation become x square minus 4 by 2 is 2x minus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. To make a is equal to 1, we divide this equation by 2. After dividing, we get x square minus 2x minus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Then we compare this equation with x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. So alpha plus beta is equal to 2 and alpha into beta is equal to 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Find the value of discriminant. So first equation, x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. So here first we compare this equation to x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and we find the value of a, b and c. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to minus 1. Then we find the value of b square minus 4ac. So we put b is equal to 7. So 7 square minus 4 into a into c means 4 into a is 1 and c is minus c. So here we write 7 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. So 7 square is 49. Minus 4 into 1 is minus 4 and minus 4 into minus 1 is plus 4. So 49 plus 4 is equal to 53. So the value of discriminant here 53. So second equation 2y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. So first we compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 10. Then we find the value of b square minus 4ac. Here we put value of b which is minus 5. So minus 5 square minus 4 into a which is 2 and c is 10. So we write minus 5 square minus 4 into 2 into 10. Minus 5 square is 25 and minus 4 into 2 minus 8 and minus 8 into 10 is minus 80. So minus 25 minus 80, 25 minus 80 is minus 55. So the value of discriminant is minus 55. Next equation 3. Root 2 x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. So first we compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. After that we get a is equal to root 2, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 2 root 2. Then we find the value of b square minus 4ac. So b is 4. We write 4 square minus 4 into a. Value of a is root 2 and c. Value of c is 2 root 2. So we write minus 4 into root 2 into 2 root 2. Then 4 square is 16 and minus 4 into root 2 into 2 root 2 is minus 16. Here root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 into 2, 4 and 4 into 4, 16 and we get minus sign here. So 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So here value of discriminant is 0. Question 3. Determine the nature of roots of the following quadratic equation. So here first quadratic equation is given x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. First we have to find value of b square minus 4ac and then we find the nature of roots. So first we find the value of a, b and c. We compare the given equation with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 4. After that we find b square minus 4ac. We put b is equal to minus 4. So minus 4 square minus 4 into a into c. A is 1 and c is 4. So we write minus 4 into 1 into 4. Then minus 4 square is 16. Minus 4 into 1 minus 4 and minus 4 into 4 minus 16. So 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So value of discriminant is 0. It is equal to 0. So the roots are real and equal. Second question, 2y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. So first we compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and we find the value of a, b and c. So here value of a is 2, value of b is minus 5 and c is 10. Then we find the value of b square minus 4ac. So b is minus 5 minus 4 into a 2 and c is 10. So minus 5 square is 25 minus 4 into 2 is minus 8 and minus 8 into 10 80. So 25 minus 80 is equal to minus 55. So minus 55 is less than 0. So our discriminant is less than 0. So the nature of roots are real and unequal. Then third equation, m square plus 2m plus 9 is equal to 0. So here first we compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 9. Then we find b square minus 4ac. So here b is 2. 2 square minus 4 into a, that is 1, and into c, that is 9. So we write 2 square minus 4 into 1 into 9. So 2 square is 4 and minus 4 into 1 minus 4 minus 4 into 9 minus 36. So we write 4 minus 36 which is minus 32 and the value of discriminant is minus 32 which is less than 0. If the value is less than 0 then roots are not real.